everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family, yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
What's going on, guys? What's going on? It is I, Miss Janita, still nursing my sore back. Now I got a crook in my neck. Lots going on with the pain. Oh, it's on and off though. Some days are better than others. But I haven't been on the balcony garden to finish doing that mission. That's on hold for now. I'm doing some light crafting. And as far as my grocery hauls, y'all stand at a bastard. I with a little bastard vignette on top of the stove. Yeah. And that's what's going on today. I do have grocery hauls that I could have shared, but like I said, oh, excuse me, my back is out of whack. And that's a fact. So I have to take it easy and not try to pick up heavy cases of this, that, and the other. I got the urge to buy something, but shoot, here I go. I was trying to get something. Oh, I had an order, and the people keep talking about I wasn't home. That was a story. I've been here waiting on my package. I might have to cancel and get my money back because this ain't making any kind of sense. I always say it got to be a new person making all these mistakes because we do got regular people that bring our stuff and they know what to do and no problem. But as soon as they get somebody new, it's always an issue. But shoot, I'm in the kitchen. I need to cut that fan off because I was cold. I mean hot. Hold up. Okay, fan is off. I think with that air blowing on me, that little flu-like sensation is back. And I know with that crook in my neck, it just feel feverish. Like I feel ill, but not sick feel, but I know the feeling will cold like feeling. No sore throat, but I was trying to get an earache, whatever. But anyway, I just stopped through, sitting down as I record this. What's new? I don't know. Nothing really. Just look at a bunch of videos, catching up on my shows, all kind of stuff. Oh, excuse me. I was supposed to be washing my hair today, and then shoot, it ain't getting done because my back hurt and my neck got a crook in it. You guys ever experienced crook in your neck? Ugh. It's been a minute since I had a crook in my neck. And now, shoot, I gotta refrain from bending over because that aggravates my back and it restarts the inflammation. And around here, gingerly, what they call it, walking around here trying not to activate the pain in my back if I move wrong. Yep, that's what's happening. Nursing myself. Oh, I'm over here yawning like up a storm. I do need sleep. I was craving some sweets today. I wanted some sweets so freaking bad. And I know I got some in the freezer, but I wanted to make some fresh muffins. I surely do. I want to make some fresh muffins. I want to, let me see. See that fake muffin right there? Make some muffins. See that fake muffin right there. Make muffins that rise that high. That will, let me sit up here. Oop. There it is. Yeah, I need a muffin about that big. I showed on a short, I made those freshly baked cookies and I stuffed ice cream in between 2 cookies and made some extra large ice cream sandwiches for the family. I did that and they enjoyed it. And now as I look at this fake pie and muffin, it's making me want sweets, but I'm through eating for today. But I might make some fresh muffins tomorrow. I don't know. I need to just go and take a long nap. Rest my back. I don't know. I think I got to be immersed in Bengay. I don't know if I need the heating pad because I'm not, I would be hot in a second. I don't think I want to do all that. That sweet potato pie down there, y'all can call it pumpkin if you want to, but sweet potato pie. Oh my. Sweet potato pie. I enjoy making these artificial sweet potato pies. They look yum yum to me. Berry pie. I should have brought them donuts up in here because those really get me going. I'll make me some homemade donuts. I can eat a sweet every now and then. Hold up, everyone. Oh, sorry for the interruption. But I have to take down stuff to put this video up because I have run out of room on my phone. All this stuff. No, not my phone, but my phone needs to be decluttered as well as the computer. I'll be getting a new computer soon, I guess. I don't know. Hopefully sooner than later, because I surely need one. And a lot of these videos I made, I start deleting, because why should I be saving a bunch of grocery hauls? I don't know. I'm going to take down delete a whole bunch of grocery hauls. Just keep stuff that's really memorable. I'm not talking about nothing. Y'all staring at my vignette on top of the stove, talking about sweets. I would have not gotten this beautiful picnic type, I don't know, those big, large basket. I got a fur heart there. I got a couple of rolling pins. Is it 3 rolling pins in there? 2 chopping boards, some wooden spoons, some bread. You know, give it that sweetheart vibe. That's why I put the red in there, for the sweetheart vibe. And my little polar bear over there, it's my winter decor, as they want to say it. They want to go with that. Okay, winter decor. was up there for the merrymaking day. Yeah, I love that polar bear. Oh yes, I do. That white candle too. Oh yes. But I ain't keeping y'all long. I'm about to get off here and mind my business and get out of y'all's. I did start a live. I don't know if y'all caught that, but I had to go take care of some business, and then I decided just to make the video. I'll come back live. I don't know. Bye for now. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, hit the notification bell, and come back often and as regular as you possibly can. Okay? And don't forget to talk about things, the goings-ons and what's happening in your area and more. Bye for now. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah.